Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the Microtech Dragonfly custom-made Balisong Butterfly. The Dragonfly by Microtech Knives Incorporated, serial number 0914. This is custom-made Balisong Butterfly by Microtechnology in Vero Beach, Florida. The Dragonfly has a premium-grade, high-carbon stainless steel blade wherein edge holding is favored over rust resistance. Minimal care is required in order to prevent rust and corrosion. The blade material is 14-4 CRMO. Blade size is 3 1/4 with a cutting edge that's serrated. It's 5 inches closed. The handle is anodized 6061-T6 aluminum, and it comes with a nylon belt sheath. Total weight of the knife is 3.4 ounces. Pure quality by Microtech, the Dragonfly. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com